I started the day in a meeting with President Zelensky, where he expressed his gratitude to the people of the United States of America for standing with the people of Ukraine in response to the aggression and outright brutality of Vladimir Putin. And then I see this scene at the White House, this spectacle, which should shame every American, the way Donald Trump and J.D. Vance acted. These are people who bully anybody they perceive to be in a weaker position. But Zelensky has something that neither of them have. He has courage and he has principle. And when it comes to real bullies like Vladimir Putin, Donald Trump is a shrinking violet. He will just fold as he has. He went into this so-called negotiation by giving away leverage that the United States has. And what we witnessed in the Oval Office was throwing the Ukrainian people under the bus. So Donald Trump is somebody who doesn't understand service and he doesn't understand sacrifice. He's the person who said of Americans who died in combat to protect our country that they were losers and suckers. Well, at the end of the day, it's Donald Trump who is being suckered by Vladimir Putin. And the people who really celebrated today's terrible scene in the Oval Office were our adversaries. People like Russia and Putin, like Xi in China, like everybody who wishes the United States ill was celebrating what the president and the vice president did today. And our allies and our friends, they are more terrified than ever. So it is time for them to step up. I've been saying to our European allies and NATO allies and other freedom-loving people around the world that this is a moment where they need to step up. They have to carry that torch that the United States has carried for so long, at least during this period of time, because Donald Trump is a clear and present danger to our country. He is already taking a wrecking ball to the Constitution and our checks and balances, and he is a clear and present danger to freedom-loving people around the world. So for everybody who cares about democracy, who cares about the rule of law, who cares about freedom, we need to mobilize and stand up together.